I'm Kim. Oh,
that's my.
she's going home already. I haven't even finished. Just because she's finished her look.
I put this little dew. Oh, nearly. Blend, 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 blend. Is that your doorbell?
It's my doorbell again. Oh God, I've got to go down like this.
You have, because it's hot. At least you've got both eyes done and not one eye. Darker.
Is that enough? Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Ali and Nesh Edits.
I'm Ali.
And I'm Nesh.
First things first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below and click the bell. This week, it's all about
Makeup.
We look a bit different to our normal looks, don't we?
This is like full-on makeup. We've had a real play around with all the products that we've already got.
Yes, we've got nothing new. Everything was in our makeup kit already, wasn't it? So we chose 2 looks that we love, that we thought, let's recreate. And I reckon it's a look that a lot of people would want to recreate as well. First up was Nesh's look, the one and only Kim Kardashian, who always looks on point. Her makeup
is insane.
And
I'm not going to lie, that terrified. I was like, I can't do makeup, Ali.
Yes, you can. She's done an amazing job, and obviously you'll see how she's done it in a moment. And then my look was taken from, there's a makeup artist that I follow on Instagram called Katie Jane Hughes, who I love. She does amazing makeup. If you don't follow her already, we'll put a link to her below. She does amazing skin, and everything looks really glowy and dewy all the time. She does a lot of makeup on herself, but she also does celebrity clients, and she did Kate Bosworth's makeup. I just loved that it looked like it was quite neutral and dewy, and didn't look like she had a lot of makeup on, but she had a red lip.
It's so strong. I wore a red lip at the weekend, actually, with no other makeup.
This is how I like.
And everyone went, oh, you look nice. Where are you going? And I was like, I'm not going anywhere.
It's just the red
literally,
lip.
My hair was messy, scraped up.
I had noticed it. Just look at the red lip.
Just the red lip.
Oh my God,
so I just absolutely love that look.
Yeah, the two looks that we love recreated. Here's how we did it. We've done our bases.
Yeah.
So we're going to start with eyes.
So I'm going in with my Revolution palette from Superdrug.
Yeah.
They've got really good colour.
Yeah, look, Revolution.
Oh, there you go. So look at those. I think you get such a great selection.
Yeah, and they're such a good price. Okay. So I would put down like a light colour first. Yeah, something like that.
I'm just going to go in with that.
Yeah. Just as a base.
So I'm going in with this shade.
Then go down to the brick one.
So
put a wash over the eye.
Orange. Oh.
Just looking at it. Trying to zoom in and get an idea of it.
Oh, it's quite
and then a lot of blending. You've got a blending brush. And I would, when you put it down, especially when you put a pigment like that down, almost like pat. So not so much brush.
Yes, I remember someone telling me that
because you'll get a lot of fall down anyway. Yeah, you do anyway with certain colour like that. You're gonna have to clean it up after. But sort of like pat and push it on, and then pack it on, and then afterwards sort of do the whole fluffy brush blending kind of, you know. This is called Forever Friend.
Oh, how perfect.
Going on my finger. I'm sometimes packing a lot more pigment, like, look.
Yeah, I know what you mean, especially because it looks quite sparkly, doesn't it, that one? So I think you're probably
You sometimes can't get it with a brush. You sometimes just have to get it on your finger and push it on.
Right, so I've got a black. I've gone with a black pencil for this, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, black coal, so you can smudge it. In this one, but I'm going to go in with a little bit of something slightly darker and matte. Just bring it up to the eye as well. I might just touch a bit of that one. Yeah.
So I've gone in thinner from the corner.
Yeah.
And thicker.
Now, whilst that's still
pliable. Is that the word?
Yeah. Have you got a brown in here? This brown here. Yeah.
I've made it a bit uneven.
That's all right, because you're going to smush it out.
Okay.
So like this end. You're gonna like
underneath?
No, on the
top.
So you're going to kind of blur that line out. So I'm taking a slightly dark colour, just putting it in there, just a bit of definition. A nice sort of fluffy brush like that, just to like blend when you think, oh, I've done a bit too much.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Then you've got to go in black right to the lash line, in your waterline, underneath your waterline.
Oh my goodness. I feel like I want to do this water in here.
Yeah,
as well.
yeah, I would. It's literally as dark as anything near the,
I'm going to do it from here.
yeah. Looking down helps.
So I'm going in with this colour. Feels from Bare Minerals in the Latte palette.
I'm just going in with a little bit of this colour, lighter kind of golden colour underneath, which candlelight underneath, in a Bobbi Brown palette in this crystal drama shade. It's a really nice shade. I'm on mascara now. She's just got mascara on the top lashes, not on the bottom.
Okay.
I'm doing that. I'm going in with Lash Domination by Bare Minerals. Like brush on this one. I've got this duo from Bobbi Brown, which is Antigua and Bermuda. So she's just got a little bit on the outsides here, from what I can tell with the picture. It's all quite glowy and dewy. Why don't do your eyes, then you're going to do your
contouring,
because it wouldn't be Kim without a bit of contouring, would it?
Right.
This is quite an old one. This is a Laura Geller one. It's the only red lip liner that I own, and it's a waterproof lip liner.
Oh.
I've just lip lined all over.
That's nice.
So it's got base. I'm now going to go in with my lipstick.
I love this on you.
This is Luxe Matte Lip Colour Red Carpet by Bobbi Brown.
It's such an amazing red, isn't it?
Red, and I feel like it's that red, isn't it?
It's so that red, yeah, definitely. Kiko.
I love Kiko. It's a good
do you know what? It's quite good, and they do lots of deals.
Yeah, they always do.
And this is a waterproof.
It is, because I've seen it in Milan Airport.
The Luxurious Lashes waterproof mascara. I like to use waterproof.
Yeah.
It's a really nice brush. Oh God, I love this colour. I'm just like trying to get right into the base because I feel like it's quite heavy.
It is, yeah.
Like proper.
She does this thing. I've seen her before. This is the makeup artist who created this look, Katie Jane Hughes, and she kind of sometimes doesn't want the lip line to be too perfect. So she would take a brush and she kind of pats it a little bit.
That's really...
So it's kind of blurring it.
Yeah, it's really good.
And
I never thought of doing that.
Obviously it's a clean eyeshadow brush.
Yeah, that would be a disaster.
So I'm going in with Secret Camouflage.
I need to go in with my contouring, which is like, it's a MAC Shiny Pretty Things Face Compact, medium deep. I might
almost keep it into like that bit there, rather than taking it all the way down, sort of like there, then you blend out. Yeah, nice.
So I've gone in with the dark one actually.
Yeah, just to like chisel in a bit. Just gonna put a tiny bit of powder on. This is well used, as you can see.
What What's that?
It's Airbrush Flawless Filter
Oh.
by... Nice.
Just
Yeah, it's
above,
all kind of
just above.
tonal, isn't it? With the...
So I kind of did that shade there,
Yeah.
and then blended it, and now
That
the
bit
pinches
on
are
the-
just there.
There. Yeah. I love it.
I feel like that's maybe too pink.
A little bit, maybe.
I might go in with this.
That, yeah, it's a little bit more, maybe go over the top. I feel like it was a bit more caramel like that. It's okay to mix.
Right.
Do you know the amount of times, isn't it, that when we've been in a makeup chair
yeah, always.
and you go, oh, that's a nice lipstick that you've done on me, to the makeup artist, because maybe you haven't seen what they've been applying, and you ask what it is. Always,
this,
it's a mix. It's never one shade. Always, they've got like a little palette where they've put it in little pots, haven't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's more like that. Hey, Kim K.
I'm going in with Charlotte Tilbury.
Yeah.
Magic Away.
This is a little palette that we featured in
Yes.
our favourites.
So many of you loved it.
Yeah.
So many of you messaged to say you got it.
We're going to link up here.
This is the DIY
Glory.
brow bar by Soap and Glory.
If you missed it, we'll put a little link
Yeah.
up here to our, it was some of our faves from September,
September
wasn't it?
favourites,
A little mixture
yeah.
of things. Nice. Love it. Kim Kardashian, eat your heart out. That is spot on for somebody who says they're not very good at makeup. You've done a
No.
very good job.
This is me terrified of doing makeup, so that terrified me. I've done it.
You've done it and you look exactly like her. Kate Bosworth.
I mean, Kate Bosworth, look at that. Look, amazing.
There we go. So it's like a pink
So bang on. That
kind of colours that you perhaps
eyeshadow.
wouldn't put together.
No, I would never have put that together.
And sometimes I think red lipstick scares people because you think it looks too dressy.
Yeah.
But by doing that look,
and blurring it
blurring
with the
it,
brush.
and not putting mascara underneath, and not having much else on, it almost doesn't really, it just looks quite a natural, does that make
Yeah.
sense? Like a
Yeah, no,
natural
no, it
look,
does.
even though you've got a full on bright
That's
lip.
so good. Love it.
So there we go.
There
That's
we are.
our looks. We've got loads of makeup videos because we've done quite a few now, haven't we?
Yeah,
Anyway,
yeah.
they're in our beauty playlist, and we'll put a link up here, wherever it goes, to our beauty playlist. You can have a look through all of our other looks that we've done.
Yeah. Hope you've enjoyed it.
Mm.
I've enjoyed it.
Yeah,
It's
I
been
have.
really
It's so much fun on
girly
a
fun.
Wednesday.
And yes, don't forget to subscribe
Yes.
to keep up to date with all our videos that we post, and thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Give us a comment below, and actually maybe even let us know if there are any looks that you would like us to
yeah.
recreate.
Everything will be linked below, and yeah,
See you next week.
see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.